Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Ecosystem destruction leads to a loss of biodiversity, which can destabilize environments, making them more susceptible to extreme weather and disease outbreaks. It disrupts the balance of natural cycles and ecosystem services like pollination, water purification, and carbon sequestration, impacting human livelihoods, food security, and health. The decline in natural habitats also drives wildlife to closer human proximity, increasing the risk of zoonotic diseases. Protecting and restoring ecosystems is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and ensuring sustainable human well-being.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.